Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel Creative Tips. In this video I'm gonna share with you how to completely correct your image in Photoshop. So any further ado, let's get started. Simply open the Photoshop and place your source image like this. By the way, you can download this image, checks link in the description. After that, create a new layer. Simply click on this icon and select your spot healing tool. Under the spot healing tool properties, mode is set on normal, type is content aware, and click on the sample all layers. Zoom in, simply hold Alt and scroll wheel up. So click here to remove this blemish, click here, click here, click here. Do same process to remove blemishes on your skin like this, like this, like this. Hold Alt and scroll wheel down to zoom out your image. The blemishes is completely removed, so we can apply another technique to smooth your skin. Select your selection tool and create a 2 copies of this layer. Simply hit Ctrl J in couple of times and click on this layer. Hide layer 0 copy 2. Make sure the active layer 0 copy. Go to the blur. Make sure layer 0 copy is selected and go to the filter, blur, and choose Gaussian blur. Drag the slider in 0 and slowly and gradually increase the blur radius until the texture from your skin is removed. Like 10 pixel is pretty good, and hit OK. So unhide this layer and go to the image and click on apply image. Here you can some changes like layer is selected on merge, you can change layer 0 copy, and blending option is set on already multiply, and you can change the blending option multiply to subtract. Here put scale is 2 and offset is 128 and hit OK. So after that, change the blending option normal to linear light like this. Hide this layer and select this layer and select your lasso tool. Make sure the feather your lasso tool is set on 15 and create a selection that you want to smooth your skin like this. After create a selection, go to the filter, blur, and choose Gaussian blur. Here is put 30 pixels of your blur radius and hit OK. Hit Ctrl D to deselect your selection and again create a selection of this part like this, and again go to the filter, blur, and choose Gaussian blur. Here is again put 30 pixels of your blur radius and hit OK. Ctrl D to deselect your selection and unhide of this layer. Here you can see you can apply this technique on any image. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.